folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I have featured for you guys the Drolet 2 wood stove, and I'm really excited to do this review for you guys because I've had a lot of questions on filming videos on this particular model. So today we're going to be unpacking your stove and showing you guys what comes with it. Inside the firebox is going to be where your ash pan is going to be packaged. This is going to be your owner's manual, and then they give you some silica packets in there as well, which keeps any moisture or rust from accumulating in the stove during shipment. At the bottom down here is basically just a pedestal base for log storage, etc. This model was ordered with the blower and the thermostatic control for the blower system, which is going to be located in this box here. So that is basically all. Your flue collar is going to be already attached to the stove. It's pre-welded on. This model is going to be a 6-inch with the top vent flue only. So this is basically going to be unpacking your Drolet Deco 2 wood stove. This model is EPA approved, UL and ULC listed for the United States and Canada, and is CSA approved. If you guys found this overview helpful, don't forget, give me that thumbs up, click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.